guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video we have seen about single inheritance, how to achieve single inheritance and how to use this particular student class in school class and so on. So now I'll show you how to do multi-level inheritance. So I'll take the same kind of program here. I'll take a new Python file, multi-level. So as we have created a student class here, I'll create the same type of class here. Class student. Now, in the same way, like as we have assigned the data here, we'll assign the same thing here as well. I'm just copying and pasting it here. In the same way, we'll use the second this also a second class also, that is the school class here. Now, instead of displaying it here in the directly in the school class, we'll create a new class called as display disp, and we'll inherit school here. Okay, as you can see, this particular student class is being inherited in student. As you can see, this particular student class is being inherited in school, and this particular school is being inherited in the dip class. So when I go over here, that is here where you have a O symbol here, and when I click on that, you can see choose subclasses. It is showing the first multi-level inheritance, oops.multilevel, as you can see. So as you can see, this is the single inheritance, whereas in this, as you can see, it is showing school, and in school we are inheriting the student class, and dip we are inheriting school. So whenever we are inheriting this school class, it is automatically inheriting this student class here. Okay. So now let me display display the self cube. Now I'll print self dot id number comma self dot name comma self dot school. Okay guys, so now let me call these classes accordingly. I'll just create an object for the dip class. D is equal to dip d dot assign. We'll pass two parameters, that is the ID number and name here, comma Vikas. In the same way, I'll create another object. We'll assign in the same way. We'll assign the variables for this assign school method. D dot assign school method, and here ABC school. Okay guys, now I'll call the display method here, D dot display. Now when I run this program, you can see it is automatically fetching the data, that is 1001 Vikas and ABC school. So what is actually happening in this program? So it is first of all we are assigning the object. So first of all, we are assigning the dip class to this particular object, that is the D object. Then we are assigning the data, that is 1001 and Vikas to this assign method here, instance method. Then after that, we are assigning the school by calling the assign school method here and assigning the school there. And after that, we are displaying it here. So first, when we are calling this dip method, it is checking if there is any inheritance here. If there is any inheritance, it is going to this particular class here, that is a school class. And since we have the student class inherited here, it is going to the student class and fetching the data from here. Okay guys, so eventually it is fetching this particular, even though we are not calling the student class directly, it is fetching the dip class is automatically calling it whenever required. Okay guys. So hope you have understood guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Thank you.